Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Apple t-shirt. So this t-shirt is the Hello Screen t-shirt in white. So a little bit of what it looks like down here. You can only get this shirt from Apple's headquarters in Cupertino. They have a visitor center. It's packaged nice, like most Apple products. Let's open it up. Pull it out. Set the box aside. Really cool package for a t-shirt. Ooh, that's cool. Retro, you know, OG Macintosh. All right, let's open this up. Set this aside. Here's the tag. Hello Screen t-shirt, size medium. Wow. This is cool. Sick shirt. So you got the white Mac on the front with the iconic hello. Look at that UI. Sick. Oh, the floppy disk. Oh man, this is cool. This is really cool. All right, then that's a front. Check out the tag. Oh, looks like there's something on the back. On the back, on the back it says Apple logo and insanely great. Very cool, very cool, very cool. That is a sick shirt. All right, everyone, let me know what you think of this shirt in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you for the next unboxing video. Later.